Hello kids, welcome to my channel Draw with Sumi. For more drawing videos, please follow my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see how to draw a flower vase. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a sleeping curve. On both the sides of the curve, draw two downward curves. Now draw alphabet C curve and reverse C curve and join both the curves to get a semicircle. Now draw a semi-oval at the bottom. Draw sleeping curves inside the vase. In between two curves, draw zigzag lines. If you want, you can use any pattern of design like circle, curves, zigzag lines. Now draw two standing curves, leaving small spaces in between for stem. Draw stems in different shapes, bigger or smaller. Now for flower, draw a circle. Draw small 5 lines around the circle. Now join that small curves by using alphabet M or small w or number 3. Repeat the same steps for other flowers. Draw leaf just by using small oval, end up with small edges. Draw lines inside the leaf for veins. Continue the same steps for other leaves. Let's start coloring. Yellow color. Brown color. Dark green color. Red color. Pink color. Orange color. Purple color. Brown color. Green color. Light blue color. Light green. That's it. It's very simple. If you also done, then post your drawing in comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my drawing channel. Stay healthy and be happy. See you.